Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Dodge Challenger out of cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You will need several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks. Also, have a ruler, a pencil, and a cutting mat ready. Don't forget safety gloves to protect your hands while cutting. Now, let's begin constructing the main body of your Challenger. Carefully cut out the large pieces for the chassis and floor pan from your cardboard sheets. Refer to your blueprints to ensure accurate dimensions for the sides, front, and rear sections. Use your hot glue gun to firmly attach these foundational pieces, creating a robust base. Consider adding extra cardboard strips to reinforce key stress points for added strength. With the main body assembled, it's time to add those distinctive Challenger details. Carefully cut and attach the iconic front grille, headlights, and taillight sections. Next, create the wheel wells and attach your chosen wheels, whether they are cardboard cutouts or plastic caps. Don't forget to craft the aggressive hood scoop and the rear spoiler, ensuring they match the car's signature look. Finally, add smaller elements like door handles and side mirrors to enhance realism. For the final touches, gently smooth any rough edges on your cardboard Challenger using fine grit sandpaper or a small file. This will create a cleaner surface for painting. Apply a coat of primer to ensure the paint adheres well and provides an even finish. Then paint your masterpiece in a classic Dodge Challenger color, perhaps a vibrant orange, a sleek black, or a bold red. For extra durability and a professional look, consider adding a clear protective coat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.